no, that was a chick. So its head was extra fluffy. So I'm sure that you might, you may have seen before that the adults will regurgitate for their chicks. The chicks can actually feed for themselves after about 3 weeks or so. In fact, not a very long time. It's just that they don't really have the opportunity to go out and hunt, do they? But they also, by around that time, are able to maneuver themselves around and defecate outside of the nest, which is super important because it means that they keep the nest clean. Because if multiple chicks are defecating inside of the nest, it means that there's the possibility of breeding a lot of bacteria. And especially when their feathers are quite downy and their immunity is probably not the best, being clean in the nest is very important. Come on. You look stunning. So we were actually thinking that this kind of weather would probably be great to catch them hunting, because it's really overcast and it's quite cool. Maybe they would prefer to hunt in this weather. Hunting is a really energetically costly activity. So the majority of hunters, especially those that are active hunters, will do so when it's cooler. But we also need to keep in mind that they're being little chicks, they might not feed when it's this cold. They might just want to huddle and sleep. So while the adult might hunt for itself, it may not hunt for the chicks. I'm not sure that the chick will stand up again because the parent has gone down. Hi Ryan, you'd like to know if the thorns in this tree are harmful to the chick? No, they're not. So the nest, up it goes. The nest is built with quite a significant amount of debris that is going to protect the chicks from any thorns, but also without being like too simple, they're not silly. They would avoid thorns that are sticking out, because it's really hard to be impaled on a thorn without first figuring out that it is sharp. So as soon as they figure out it's a little bit sharp, they'll probably avoid that area, and it's likely with all the movement in the nest that if there is a thorn, it would break off anyway. So